Hello! Welcome to our channel. This time we will draw an electric fan with a cute dog. Please follow the steps and we will learn to draw together. First, we need to create an outline. It must be very light line, so that it's easy to erase if you desire to change it. After that, you can draw now a final and visible outline. We will be playing the background music entitled Electric Fan. It is an original song from the Special Day channel.
Do turn it on when the room gets hot, but never ever stick your fingers in a lot. Feel the breeze, it's a comforting charm, but keep your hands out of the fan. Feel the cool air, it blows your way, but don't play the buttons, that's not okay. Our plans to save and have fun with our friend Electric Fan. Our plans to save and have fun with our friend Electric Fan.
Since we have already finished the final outline, let's put the beige color.
Do turn it on when the room gets hot.
Now the color
but
tangerine.
Never ever stick your fingers in a lot. Feel the breeze, it's a comforting charm.
Now
but
the color
keep your
brown.
hands out of the fan. Feel the cool air, it blows your way, but don't play the buttons, that's not okay. Our plans to save
Now the color
and have
pink.
fun with our friend Electric
Now the color
Fan.
peach.
Our plans to save
And the last
have
color is
fun
sky blue. Now the
with our
drawing is
friend
done.
Electric
It looks very beautiful.
Fan.
To animate our drawing, let's speak the magic spell together. Draw, anime, sing. Wow! The fan blade is now turning. Also the hair and ears of the cute dog are moving. Congratulations to you on another amazing drawing you made. I hope you enjoy drawing with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cute drawings and animation. Bye, see you soon.